How to fix inverted camera on Instagram video call. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open the Play Store on your device. Search for Instagram. If there is any update available, update this application. Sometimes not updating application may cause problem. If not, simply go to Settings on your device. Click on Apps and Notifications in here. In Apps and Notifications, simply click on Instagram, which will open this kind of page. In here, click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. Then click on Clear Cache. After you have cleared cache, simply open Instagram and check for it. If it still does not fix your problem, restart your device and open Instagram. After that, your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix inverted camera on Instagram video call. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.